As you likely know already, electric vehicles are slowly becoming the norm when it comes to transportation. And this is great, because they have zero emissions, right? Wrong. Unfortunately, there is another source of emissions that we need to worry about. Roadway resuspension. This is a process where cars on roadways kick up microscopic particles of brake dust, tire wear, and asphalt, destroying our ecosystems and poisoning our airways. This process is the single largest cause of particulate emissions from vehicles, and heavy EVs only increase this type of pollution. We are CAELI, and our mission is to prove that a vehicle-integrated system to capture these particles is possible. This system is the first of its kind and could potentially cut roadway resuspension by up to 60%. Over the course of the last 9 months, we have conducted extensive amounts of research on the science behind filtration and the mechanics behind roadway resuspension. And we designed tests to determine what a successful solution needs. We started out by sticking tape all over a car to determine where all this dust was collecting. Eventually, we determined that the rear tires kicked up the most dust. From there, we tried putting a filter behind the tires and found that, well, passive filtration wasn't going to cut it. So, what do we use to clean up dust? That's right, a vacuum cleaner. So we stuck one on our car and found that it could suck up almost 60% of resuspended particles behind one of the tires. And the data we collected gives us a pretty good idea of how we can increase that number. We believe that the research and data we have compiled will be used to eventually rid the world of roadway resuspended particles.